What if I told you there is a city that has multiple professional sports teams, is home to America's football team, and has a National Hall of Fame and some of the best barbecue in the world? And the average person hasn't even heard of this city. The city I'm talking about is Frisco, Texas. Come with us as we explore around the city that has two of my favorite things, sports and barbecue. But first, we're about to meet up with a special guest. Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Well, so we've made it. We picked her up. It's time to go have a good time. Yes. I hope Sara, the winning subscriber of our first ever Getaways with Jeff trip, is hungry. All right, Sara, where are we at right now?
We're at Hutchins BBQ.
All right, this is her first time having Texas barbecue in Texas. Welcome to Texas. This is the best way to start this thing off. So let's do it.
I'm ready.
What I actually came here for was this Texas Twinkie. It looks like a Twinkie, bacon wrap, stuffed with meat and cheese. I have to try this. So we have $200 worth of barbecue right here. But we got the brisket, we have the ribs, the sausage, and what I actually came here for was these Texas Twinkies. And this mammoth thing right here is called a beef rib. Do you see this? You see that juice? All right, Sara, the main reason I wanted to come here today was because I wanted to try this Texas Twinkie. This is a jalapeno popper stuffed with brisket and wrapped in bacon. Texas Twinkie, right here.
Okay.
Like this is it. Definitely is it. All right, cheers
Ready?
again.
Cheers again. That's it. That's it.
This is the gold standard of jalapeno popper. Whew, I'm full. Sara, that was just the first spot. You ready to go to the next spot?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. Let's see if we still got it. What better way to experience the Lone Star State than by joining in the excitement of the Cowboys draft day party? We're here at the Star, where the football dreams come true, and Sara, you're about to witness firsthand the passion and the dedication of Cowboy fans. Go Cowboys. Let's thank today's sponsors. Visit Frisco. Escape to the thriving city of Frisco, Texas, where excitement meets relaxation and every moment is filled with unforgettable experiences. From mouth-watering barbecue to thrilling sports events and everything in between. Frisco has something for everyone. Plan your getaways today and discover why Frisco is the ultimate destination for sports fans and leisure travelers alike. Visit Frisco, Texas today. So we're gonna try to find Sara on that right now. I think I know which one, but she wanted me bucket hat right here. I don't know, but I'm thinking this. Okay,
That's why.
this is a vibe, and these are actually a vibe too. This looks like Theodore Roosevelt. I think
It
that is
does.
him. I think it is him. Rough Riders. Which one you like? You like this one though?
I vibe with that.
All right, let me see how it looks.
It's like that, like bricks.
Wow, it's a little
Okay,
large.
big.
The flat, that's why.
Oh yeah. Let's go. From the gridiron to the diamond, our Texas adventure continues at the Frisco Rough Riders game. There's nothing quite like the energy of a baseball game under the Texas sky. And one of the most unique things I've seen at this ballpark is their lazy river. Hey, batter. like Sara is having a great time. What a game. This is a lot of fun. I definitely will come back again. Day 2 of our adventure kicks off with a bang at the common table for hip hop brunch.
Thank you.
There's good food, good music, and good vibes. What more could you ask for? Get ready for brunch like never before. Sara, we're about to grub. Next up, we're delving into the heart of football greatness with the Star Tour. From the locker rooms to the field, get ready to experience the magic behind America's team, the Dallas Cowboys. You don't have to be a Cowboys fan to enjoy this tour. If you love football or the NFL, then this is the tour for you. I'm surprised that we got so much access to the facilities. I heard that Jerry Jones, owner of the Dallas Cowboys, was actually in the building because it's draft weekend. And now we're on to our next place. It's time for more barbecue at Earnest B's. And y'all have to try the brisket mac. It is so good. So Mr. Ernest, talk to us now. What we got here?
Listen, Jeff, we got some amazing barbecue, Texas style barbecue.
Okay.
I got a beef rib, which is like staple in Texas.
Oh, yes.
We got kielbasa.
Kielbasa.
Sausage.
Okay.
Polish sausage.
You know what? That's how my grandma used to always do kielbasa, Polish sausage.
Yes.
Back in the day as well.
Yes,
in
sir.
Florida.
We got Texas beef brisket. 14 hours. 14-hour smoked low. Listen, it's going to be so tender. I had to put it on the mac and cheese. That brisket mac and cheese. Brisket mac and cheese right there. And now what's better is the Texas toast. It's got that butter on it. And you dip it in that mac and cheese. And just say, oh, we got barbecue baked beans. My wife make them. And homemade potato salad. And last but not least, the staple, the sign on the building, home of the Texas style ribs. They look so good. You know what I think?
What's up?
We ought to try one.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Earnest B's.
Earnest B.
Thank you. That was perfect. This man know what he do. You have to taste to believe. Earnest B's barbecue was incredible. Y'all definitely have to check them out. We got more to go. What was one of your favorite moments from this weekend?
I think one of my favorite moments from this weekend has been eating my weight in barbecue.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's my first trip to Texas, so
Y'all, remember, this is our first time ever in Texans barbecue
yeah.
in Texas. Before you leave, can you tell our subscribers, like, just something inspirational?
If there's anything I had to tell anyone, it was just to keep living your life. I am an avid promoter when it comes to mental health, so just keep fighting that off. Travel the beautiful world that we have. Keep making awesome friends like yourself.
Let's go.
And that's all that matters.
I love that. I love that. Well, man, literally, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Seriously, this has been like
Thank
a fantastic time. Y'all, I was nervous because I was like, oh my God, there's somebody coming to Texas. I don't even know this person, like straight up stranger. And I was like, I hope she's not going to kill me in my sleep.
Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button.
Isn't Sara just the greatest? Our next adventure takes us to explore the rich history of soccer at the National Soccer Hall of Fame. If you like soccer, this state-of-the-art facility has it all. I like that first one. How cool is this that those pictures that we just took will go straight to our email? Incredible.
Wait, look at you.
Hey man, I'm on the Hall of Fame now, guys. From trophies to memorabilia, I did not know there was so much incredible things here in this one place. I'm ready to watch some soccer. This is a lot of fun. Y'all definitely have to check out the Hall of Fame, Soccer Hall of Fame. This is immaculate. I didn't even know it was in Frisco. It is. Sara, I hope you have a little soccer fanatic in you. As our Texas adventure comes to a close, I want to say a huge thank you to Sara for joining me on this unforgettable journey through Frisco. It's been an absolute pleasure of sharing these incredible experiences with you. Make sure you hit the notification button and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. And there you have it, folks, another amazing adventure in the books. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and live life now. Hey CD fam, Jeff Jenkins here. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are creating a lot of dope content in efforts to help over 1 million people like you travel the world confidently. So make sure that you hit that notification button, that you subscribe so that y'all can see all of our epic adventures. You'll also get to see a lot of our travel tips and tricks, and we're gonna bring you along for the journey. So see you in the next video. Make sure y'all check out my other videos, and every week we got videos coming out, so stay tuned. Let's go.